The magical power of pumpkins, health, beauty, and the spirit of autumn and Halloween. When autumn arrives, something magical happens. The air turns crisp, the leaves turn gold, and pumpkins begin to appear everywhere, on doorsteps, in soups, in lattes, in decorations glowing under candlelight. But behind the cozy feeling of fall lies a secret most people overlook. The pumpkin isn't just a symbol of Halloween, it's one of nature's most powerful gifts for your health, your skin, and your mood. Pumpkins have been part of human history for more than 10,000 years. The ancient Mayas and Aztecs cultivated them long before the first Halloween lantern was ever carved. They called it the fruit of the sun, a source of nourishment and energy, sacred to the harvest. Today, we know why. Science has confirmed what ancient cultures already felt in their hearts, that the pumpkin is not just beautiful and delicious, but deeply healing. A natural shield for your body. Let's start with what makes this bright orange fruit so unique. Its deep color comes from beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that gives the pumpkin its golden glow, the same pigment that protects your body from free radicals and inflammation. Free radicals are like little sparks of stress inside your cells. Left unchecked, they accelerate aging, damage tissues, and weaken your immune system. But the antioxidants in pumpkin act like tiny healers, neutralizing those sparks before they can cause harm. Inside your body, beta-carotene transforms into vitamin A, which strengthens your immune system and even supports your vision. That's why pumpkins are sometimes called sunlight for your cells. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to like it and subscribe to Secrets of Slim, Glow and Beauty. Here, we share natural ways to glow from the inside out, with simple foods, gentle rituals, and a touch of beauty magic. A treat for your heart and mind. Pumpkin seeds, small but mighty, are filled with nutrients that help protect your heart and stabilize your mood. They contain omega-3 fatty acids that lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin, your natural happiness hormone. So when you eat pumpkin soup or sprinkle roasted seeds on your salad, you're not just feeding your body, you're feeding your joy. No wonder so many people feel happier in autumn. Maybe it's not just the cozy sweaters or the candles, maybe it's the pumpkins themselves. A secret for smooth skin. If your skin tends to look tired after summer or dry in the colder months, pumpkin can help renew its glow. The carotenoids and enzymes in pumpkin support your skin's natural regeneration, helping to repair sun damage and increase elasticity. In fact, many natural skincare experts call pumpkin the gentle peel of nature. A simple at-home tip. Mix mashed cooked pumpkin with a little honey and apply it as a mask for 10 minutes. The vitamins and enzymes nourish your skin deeply, leaving it soft and radiant, like it's been kissed by autumn light. The slim secret of pumpkin. Many people are surprised to learn that pumpkin is naturally low in calories, yet rich in fiber and potassium. It fills you up without weighing you down. Those fibers help regulate digestion and balance blood sugar levels, making pumpkin a perfect ally if you want to maintain or lose weight, especially during the colder months when cravings often increase. Its potassium also helps the body flush out excess water, reducing bloating and puffiness. So yes, you can enjoy that creamy pumpkin soup and still feel light and balanced. Ancient wisdom in a modern world. In ancient times, pumpkins were believed to protect homes from negative energy. People would place them near doors or windows to ward off evil spirits, a tradition that later evolved into the glowing Halloween jack-o'-lanterns we know today. But there's more truth to this than you might think. Because biologically, pumpkins do protect, not from ghosts, but from the invisible stressors of modern life, pollution, fatigue, and inflammation. It's as if nature designed this fruit to defend us, body, mind, and soul, as we move into the darker season of the year. A gift for your gut. Pumpkin is a blessing for digestion. Its gentle fiber cleanses your system, feeds healthy gut bacteria, and keeps everything flowing smoothly. In traditional medicine, it's often recommended for mild digestive discomfort or when you feel sluggish after heavier meals. When your digestion is balanced, your energy rises, your skin clears, and your mind feels lighter. It's all connected. The magic of the seeds. And let's not forget the seeds, small, green, and full of life. They're packed with zinc, magnesium, and plant sterols that help lower cholesterol levels naturally. Zinc, in particular, supports your immune system and keeps your hair, nails, and skin strong. You can roast the seeds yourself, sprinkle them on oatmeal or salads, or even blend them into smoothies. They add crunch, nutrients, and a subtle earthy flavor that feels like autumn in a spoon. The spirit of Halloween. So as Halloween approaches, remember that the pumpkin's magic goes far beyond decoration. It's a reminder that even in darker, colder days, there is warmth, color, and nourishment waiting for us. When you carve your pumpkin lantern, think of it as more than just a Halloween ritual. It's a symbol of light, the same light that lives inside you. A reminder that health, happiness, and beauty all begin when we care for ourselves and the world around us. If this video inspired you, take a moment to give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. What's your favorite way to enjoy pumpkin, as a soup, a smoothie, or maybe a mask for glowing skin? And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Secrets of Slim, Glow and Beauty for more natural health and beauty inspiration, because real glow begins within. Thank you for watching, and have a beautiful, healthy Halloween.